Dramatic footage has emerged of the moment a pair of Russian tanks suffered a direct hit from bombs stealthily dropped from a Ukrainian drone, expertly flown by an operator believed to be from Ukraine's 503rd Naval Infantry Battalion. The drone swooped above two Russian infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, at an estimated height of around 400 feet, before letting loose its payload. 5 seconds later, the anti-armor grenades detonated and engulfed the IFVs in a pair of huge fireballs. Ukraine's armed forces have used drones to great effect amid the Russian invasion, expertly conducting small-scale airstrikes and using drone-mounted cameras to analyze Russian troop movements to prepare ambushes. It is unclear where the drone strike took place, though Radio Liberty reported in February that the 503rd Naval Infantry Battalion was deployed in the Donbas region of Donetsk, eastern Ukraine, where fighting has intensified amid a major Russian offensive. It comes as the land forces of Ukraine today reported an estimated 23,000 Russian soldiers have been killed thus far in just 9 weeks of war. Russia is believed to have sustained heavy casualties in the eastern Donbas region, as Ukraine's armed forces continue their bitter defense of the Donetsk and Luhansk territories, which have been partially occupied by Moscow-backed separatists since 2014. Russia's military leaders are pouring troops and equipment into the east of Ukraine in an attempt to force a bloody victory after they abandoned plans to blitz through Ukraine's north and seize Kyiv earlier in the war. Britain's Ministry of Defense today said Putin's troops in the east are still struggling to make ground despite the renewed support, citing poor tactics and the deployment of low-skilled troops as reasons for the slow progress. A lack of unit-level skills and inconsistent air support have left Russia unable to fully leverage its combat mass, despite localized improvements. The MOD tweeted, "Russia hopes to rectify issues that have previously constrained its invasion by geographically concentrating combat power, shortening supply lines and simplifying command and control," it said. Meanwhile, Ukraine's military continues to carry out attacks behind Russian lines to cut off vital supply routes, with a fuel dump in the Donetsk region catching fire today.